Mayroon ng desisyon ng PBA regarding sa kaso ni John Amores. Matapos ang insidente ng pamamaril sa Laguna last month, inaasahan natin na magkakaroon siya ng mabigat na parusa sa PBA. Pero hindi nangyari yon. Ang shooting incident ay pinagugutan di umano sa pustahan sa basketball. At dahil dyan, nagkahamunan si Amores at yung kaaway niya. Pero ano ba ang naging desisyon ni Commissioner Marshall at tama lang ba ang pinataw? Well, let's talk about it. Ayon sa kilalang newspaper sa Pilipinas na Inquirer.net, hindi makakalaro o suspended without pay si Amores sa upcoming PBA Commissioner's Cup. Makakabalik lamang ito kung papayag siya na mag-undergo ng counseling for anger management. Which I think papayag siya. Sigurado 100% yan. Dagdag pa ng PBA, hindi allowed si Amores sa bench ng Northport during live games. Pero pwede siyang sumali sa mga practices and trainings with minimal allowance. So okay, may mga extra pay pala ang mga PBA players aside sa natatanggap nilang sahod.
Sana all.
Sa mga kuhupis, panoorin natin at pakinggan si Attorney Narvasa at Commissioner Marshall regarding sa naging desisyon nila para kay John Amores. Let's watch this.
Player shall at all times conduct himself in accordance with the standards of good citizenship, good moral character, and good sportsmanship, quarreling with other players in pickup game, engaging in a challenge to fight, chasing after his protagonist with a handgun, and then shooting his gun are not consistent with the standard of behavior and image that the PBA wishes to project to its fans. The Commissioner has decided that John Amores will be suspended for all his games in the next conference of the PBA's 49th season without pay for conduct detrimental to the league. Furthermore, in order for Amores to be allowed to play again in the PBA, he must, without delay, submit to counseling to address his anger and violent tendencies. And clearance to play must be obtained from his counselors. Choice of the counseling program of Amores should be with the approval of the PBA.
So napakinggan nyo guys ang sinabing joke, desisyon ng pamunuan ng PBA in regards to the enigmatic guard ng Northport Batang Piar. Kahupis, wala naman akong galit kay Amores, no? And this is only my opinion. For me, a conference suspension is not enough, and I think even PBA fans feel the same way as I do. Remember players like J.R. Tinyahan and Mac Talio na parehas na naban sa PBA dahil sa ligang labas? Ang isa dahil sa paglalaro, at ang isa hindi lang naglaro, kundi natapak pa o nanuntok. Even Calvin Abueva nagkaroon din ng indefinite ban dahil sa naging komusyon niya sa dating import ng TNT na si Terrence Jones at ang obscene gesture sa ex-girlfriend naman ni Ray Parks. At ito ay under the current commissioner ng PBA na si Willie Marshall. And he did a horrible way to defend his decision about John Amores. He said na parang anak na ang turing niya sa mga PBA players at kapag anak mo, hindi mo papabayaan. But ang masasabi ko lang, kapag may mga anak ka, you have to be fair sa pagdidisiplina sa kanila. John Amores' action is a life-threatening act compared to those players kanina na aking nabanggit. So para sa akin, there should be an extensive penalty para sa kanya. Mas applicable pa nga ang lifetime ban sa kanya compared to J.R. Kinyahan. Again, this is only my opinion. Maybe Marshall defend his decision based sa PBA rules. And kung ganyan man ang ongoing rules sa PBA sa pagdidisiplina ng kanilang mga players, well, it has to be amended o baguhin. Yun lamang ang aking take mga kahupis. Kung meron kayong gustong i-comment, please drop it on my comment section. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye muna mga kahupis.